Ciana 48 nimaikitio ngono ni maabithaa borithi thutha wao gukorwo magikenia nyumba-ini imwe mwena wa Mountain View guku kaunti ya Nairobi. Cuba ici huthire makiria maigana rimwe cia njohi mithemba itiganite na iria ihithukirwo nyumba-ini iria ciana ici irekenagiria waya gwiciria ni mwene nyumba urenda kwambiriria uthunduri na cuba ici na witikie kana urege. Cuba ici ni cia njohi iranyuirwo ni ciana ici na wa kugegania mutumia mwene nyumba ino arari kuo giko giki gigitabanio. Imwana 26 na iretu 18 kurerikana maumete kaunti ya Machakos, kaunti ya Kiambu na kaunti ya Nairobi. Kiuria gia kana ciaria ni marakuranaga kuria ciana ciao iri utuku wa gukia umuthi gikiyumiria kuria mwaciari magwikinyetie ceceni ya borithi ya Gabete.
Court case would not be the first option. However, it remains an option. But we are exploring ways of making these children to be in very safe hands. So that would be the first priority.
Ugwati uria wiyumiritie thutha wa giko giki ni munene makiria mahinda-ini maya murimu wa COVID-19 uthite na mbere na kuongerereka njira nene guku bururi-ini, kuona ciana ici ciothe irekenagiria nyumba-ini ino iria ni nini muno gukorwo ina ciana 44. Uthuthuria riu ni wambikitwo wa gukurana gitumi gia ciana ici gukorwo ciri nyumba-ini, ningi gitumi kia mutumia uyu gukorwo agitikiria ciana ici gukorwo igikeneria nyumba-ini iyo, kuona to njohi tu maranyuaga. Mubangi ni onekanire nyumba-ini iyo undu mwena mibira ya kugiriririo ciari.
Some are alleging that there are harsh conditions at home. We are aware that most of the children are now at home because no schools are ongoing, and some of them have in their own way tried to evade being under the custody of their parents. So they will give different versions of why they are here. However, eventually once we are through with the investigations, we shall come up with a dossier on maybe that will guide the nation.
Irifotera Kameme TV, retorakano wa Jiro wa Foro.